Welcome back, friends. In our last video, we talked about adjective phrase. Now here, we are going to see Unit 1, Standard 10. And here, while reading, we will underline adjective phrases. We will see adjective phrases along with learning the lesson. Unit 1 shows us how determination can bring us success. શક્ય હોય અત્યારે લોકડાઉનના કારણે તમે ઘરે જ છો તો એક દશરથ માનજી નામની વ્યક્તિ છે ઇનફેક્ટ હતી જેમના જીવન પર એક ફિલ્મ બની છે બાયોપિક જેને આપણે કહીએ છીએ તમે જોઈ લેજો. I have points of his life. Dashrath Manji was a village man. When he was a small child, he left his house. He ran away from his house. He went to Dhanbad and he worked in coal mines. કાલા પથ્થર ફિલ્મ જોઈ છે ને, તમે જોયું હશે એમાં કોલ માઇન્સમાં કેવી રીતે લોકો કામ કરતા હોય છે. How hard their life is. He worked there. He worked for some years. Then he returned home. He married. His wife's name was Falguni Devi. Then he worked in his farm. Now one day Falguni Devi was bringing lunch for him at his workplace. While walking, she slipped and she got injured. It is completely a hilly area, mountainous region. Now the hospital was very far. It was a long way. And before they could reach the hospital, Falguni Devi died. Dashrath was disturbed. He understood because of the long way to the hospital, his wife could not be saved and she passed away. તમે જાણો છો પર્વતીય વિસ્તારમાં રસ્તા વાંકા ચૂકા સર્પાકાર હોય છે માટે અંતર વધી જતું હોય છે. ભૂગોળમાં તમે આવું ભણ્યા છો, રાઈટ? યસ. So he was disturbed and he decided to make a path, small way. He decided to carve a path through Gehlor Hills. Gehlor Hills પર્વતીય વિસ્તાર, પર્વતનો ભાગ છે એટલે શોર્ટકટ બનાવવાનો એણે વિચાર્યું. કારણ કે ટેકરીઓ હતી, એક ટેકરી પરથી બીજી ટેકરી પર થઈને એને રસ્તામાં ત્યાં રસ્તો જતો હતો. હવે ટેકરીને ફરીને આખો રસ્તો જતો હતો. So he decided to cut that hill and make a small path. When he started the work, people called him lunatic. This is a special word, lunatic. Pagal, we call them. Luna નામનો વર્ડ છે ગ્રીક ભાષામાં, લ્યુના. આ તમે ચલાવો છો ને પેલું લુના પહેલા ચલાવતા આપણે, એ લ્યુના વર્ડ પણ ગ્રીક ભાષા પરથી આવે છે. લ્યુના મીન્સ મૂન. અને ઘણી વ્યક્તિઓને આ પ્રશ્ન આ તકલીફ હોય છે કે ફૂલ મૂન હોય, પૂનમની રાત્રિ હોય ત્યારે એક પ્રોબ્લેમ થઈ જતો હોય, મગજ પર અસર થતી હોય અને એને પાગલપણનો એક દોર આવતો હોય, એવી વ્યક્તિઓને લ્યુનેટિક કહેવામાં આવે છે. So when he worked, people called him mad, lunatic. Afterwards, people started helping him. Some people brought tools for him. People brought food for him because he was determined. So Manji succeeded. After working for 22 years, Manji succeeded and he decreased 55 kilometers into 15 kilometers. You can watch this film. there is a biopic on Dashrath Manzi. You can watch and you can understand how determination brings success. સફળતા પ્રાપ્ત થાય છે, પણ એના માટે persistence અને determinationની જરૂર હોય છે. In unit 1 we have 3 examples of people working for empowerment, working for success, for better life, better livelihood. So we begin our lesson against the odds. Let's see. Against the odds. The first part is treks to Tajnagar. When we talk about treks, તમને થાય કે મેદાન પર દોરેલા ટ્રેક હોય છે? ના, એ નહીં. Here we are talking about railway tracks to Tajnagar. Already I had given you homework to find out new words, to find out the meanings of unknown words. You might have done that work, but we have some of the words that we will come across during this lesson. Let's see the meaning of these words. Resident, a person living in a particular place. તમે ચોક્કસ શહેરમાં રહો છો, તમે ત્યાંના રેસિડેન્ટ છો. તમે સોસાયટીમાં રહો છો, તમે ત્યાંના રેસિડેન્ટ છો. લોબી, લોબી શબ્દ આવે છે ક્યાંથી? સંસદમાં કે કોઈ મીટિંગ હોય તો એનો જે ઓરડો હોય એની બહારનો જે ભાગ હોય એને આપણે લોબી કહીએ છીએ. હવે આ એવું સ્થળ છે જ્યાં લોકો એકબીજાને મળવા, પોતાના મંતવ્યો એકબીજા સાથે શેર કરવા એ સ્થળનો ઉપયોગ થતો હોય છે. કોઈને પોતાની તરફેણમાં કરવા એ સ્થળનો ઉપયોગ થતો હોય છે. એના પરથી આ શબ્દ આવે છે લોબી. ઇટ ઇઝ અ વર્બ અને લોબીનો મીનિંગ થાય જોઈન હેન્ડ્સ ફોર અ કોઝ. કોઈ ચોક્કસ કારણ માટે, ચોક્કસ હેતુ માટે આપણે એકબીજાને સપોર્ટ કરીએ, એકબીજાની સાથે હાથ મેળવીએ તો એને કહેવાય છે લોબી. લોબીઇંગ we will say. Demand, ask for something. માંગ કરવી. Contribute, give to common fund or work. આપણે આપણો ફાળો આપીએ છીએ, that is called contribution. Pooling means collect. Burning desire, જ્વલંત ખૂબ જ અંતરની ઈચ્છા હોય એને આપણે કહીએ છીએ burning desire. A strong wish. Former, earlier, predecessor, અગાઉનું, પૂર્વનું વિશે. Resolution, it is an official decision. ઠરાવ આપણે તમે ભણતા હશો સમાજ વિદ્યામાં, સિવિક્સમાં, નાગરિકમાં. સરકાર ઠરાવ પાસ કર્યો, વિશે resolution. We have two more words here. Need, that is requirement. જરૂરિયાત. ફોર્મ એટલે ઘડવું. તમે કહેશો સર ફોર્મ ભરીએ છીએ તો એ સંજ્ઞા છે, નમૂનો. ઓકે, પણ અહીંયા ક્રિયાપદ તરીકે વપરાયું છે, એનો મીનિંગ થાય છે ઘડવું. જો તમે શબ્દોના અર્થ એકવાર વાંચી લીધા હોય તો આપણે આગળ વધી શકીએ છીએ અને આપણે જઈ શકીએ છીએ ડાયરેક્ટ યુનિટ પર. I know most of you will not have textbooks because your textbooks are in school or in the hostel. If you have downloaded the textbooks, very good. You can open, or I have the slide here for you. You can read from here. So let's begin. Treks to Tajnagar. For 25 years, the residents of Tajnagar village near Gurgaon lobbied for a railway station in their village. When their demand was not met, the villagers decided to take matters into their own hands. They pooled in 21 lakh rupees and built a railway station on their own. You can see here. Now let's see some of the questions to understand this text properly. How long did the people of Tajnagar wait for a railway station in their village? See the first sentence. For 25 years. So the people of Tajnagar waited for 25 years for a railway station in their village. Second question, where is Tajnagar situated? You can go to maps and see all these places, or see the book. It is given there, near Gurgaon. What did the villagers decide when their demands were not fulfilled? Fulfill એટલે પરિપૂર્ણ કરવું, સંતોષવું. When their demands were not fulfilled, what did they decide? What did they do? They decided to take the matters into their own hands and build a railway station. Remember the answers. Afterwards, you have to write the answers. How much money did the villagers collect? It is there. It's very easy. You have to begin the same answer. The villagers collected so and so amount. Why did the villagers collect rupees 21 lakh? The reason is given there. They collected rupees 21 lakh to build a railway station in their village. Why did the villagers decide to take the matters into their hands? You know the answer is given there. Their demands were not met. Means their demands, their requests were not accepted by the railways. What did the residents of Tajnagar lobby for? They lobbied for a railway station. They got together for a railway station. What did the people of Tajnagar do with the money they had collected? It is that they built a railway station. Now there is a word own. Own શબ્દ છે એનો અર્થ આપણે સમજીએ. I do my work on my own. મારી જાતે કરું છું. એ અર્થ છે. ઓન પરથી બીજો શબ્દ, ઓન પરથી શબ્દ આવે છે ઓનર, માલિક. ટુ ઓન, માલિકી ધરાવવી. આ શબ્દો યાદ રાખજો. આગળ વધીએ. ઓકે. Second paragraph. Most of the 3,000 people living in the village are farmers. But such was the burning desire to have a station in their village. Everybody contributed according to their capacity, ranging from 3,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees. They donated money for the station and we started the construction in January 2008, said Ranjit Singh, a former village sarpanch. See, everybody contributed according to their capacity. All are not rich enough because they are farmers. Their occupation is farming, agriculture. So, they cannot donate a lot of amount. But the rich farmers donated 75,000. The others donated 3,000. This information is given by the Sarpanch, former village Sarpanch, Ranjit Singh. Now, let's see some of the questions on this paragraph. What is the occupation of most of the people of the village? See the first sentence. Most of the 3,000 people living in the village are farmers. So their occupation is farming, agriculture. When did they start the construction of the station? Ranjit Singh has already told here, we started the construction in January 2008. So we have to turn it into indirect and we have to say they started the construction. What is Ranjit Singh? See the last sentence of the paragraph. He is a former village sarpanch. In board examination, they may ask you, what is the population of the village? See the first sentence. Most of the 3,000 people. So the population is around 3,000. Now let's see the next paragraph. There are a large number of people in the village who need to go to Gurgaon, Delhi and Rewar. There are students who go to colleges. Till now, we had to either go to Halimandi or Patli to catch a train. Both the stations are 6 kilometers away from Tajnagar. We thought when the railway lines passed through the village, we would have a station here. But that didn't happen. So, we raised the demand in 1982 and have been continuously asking for it. But the railways told us that they did not have funds. So finally, we decided to craft our own destiny, said Hukamchand, a member of the committee. You can read it silently. Now see, what was the main problem? They had to walk 6 kilometers either to Halimandi or to Patli to catch the train. Now, railway lines passed through their village, but they did not have a railway station. Most of the people, they have to go to Delhi, Gurgaon, Rewar. The students have to go to the colleges or the higher secondary schools. They did not have a railway station. That was the problem. They thought that they would have a railway station because the tracks passed from there. Railway denied. The railway said they did not have money, enough funds to build a railway station. So they decided to build a railway station on their own. Now let's see some of the questions. Why were people in urgent need of a railway station? They needed a railway station urgently, but they waited for 25 years, waiting for the government, the railways to build it. They were in urgent needs because the people had to go to Delhi, Gurgaon, Rewar. The students had to go to their college. So they were in urgent need. How would the villagers manage to go to Gurgaon, Delhi or Rewar? They were in urgent needs, but they did not have railway stations. So they managed, somehow they managed. How? They walked. They walked into Halimandi or Patli. And they managed to get a train from there to go to these places. Next question. Since when have they been asking for a railway station? In 9th standard you learned this structure. Since when? Yes. What does it show? What does it indicate? Since when indicates the point of time. Kyarathi. They have been asking for a railway station since. હવે મેં જ્યારે since કહ્યું છે તો તમારે ચોક્કસ સમય આપવો પડશે. અહીંયા આપણે આપ્યું છે for 25 years. So for 25 years કહે તો that is period of time. પણ since when થી પ્રશ્ન પૂછો એટલે આપણે કહેવું પડશે point of time. So since 1982 તમારે આ પ્રમાણે એનો જવાબ આપવો પડશે. They have been asking for a railway station since 1982. Okay. Why did railways deny for a railway station in their village? Railways denied. They refused. Why? The railways gave the reason. They had no funds. So you can write the answer on your own. Why did the villagers think that they would have a railway station? The answer is there in the text. The villagers thought that they would have a railway station. Why? Because the tracks passed through their village. Now let's see the next slide. This is the ending part. As a result, the Panchayat passed a resolution in 2008 saying that since the railway was not able to build a railway station for them, they would do it for themselves and with their own money. Soon, an 11-member team was formed and the team started collecting money for the villagers, from the villagers. On 7 January 2010, as a result of their efforts, the first railway station in the country on which the railway did not have to spend a single rupee started operation. Read the slide. Read the text. Go through each word. Let's see the questions now. What resolution did the Panchayat pass? We learned the meaning of resolution in the vocabularies. See the sentence, paragraph here. As a result, the Panchayat passed a resolution in 2008 saying that since the railways was not able to build a station for them, they would do it for themselves and with their own money. કયો ઠરાવ પાસ કર્યો છે? They would build a railway station on themselves. This is the main part. આ તો કારણ છે, since the railways. એ નહીં લખીએ તો ચાલશે. The Panchayat passed the resolution that they would do it. Do it means what? They would build a railway station for themselves, not for us, for themselves, and with their own money, not with our money. They would not wait for the government to sanction their demand, but they would collect the money. So they collected the money. Let's see. એટલે પ્રશ્નનો જવાબ જોઈશું તો શું કહીશું આપણે? They passed the resolution that they would build a railway station for themselves with their own money. That is enough. How many members were there in the team? The answer is very clear. You can write. It's very easy. 11 members. Yes, right. What was the team formed for? Okay, they formed a team. For what? See the slide. 11-member team was formed and the team started collecting money. So what was the job of the team? The job of the team was to collect money. So when you write the answer, the team was formed for collecting money. Okay. When did the railway station start operations? When did the railway station start working? The railway station started operation on January 7, 2010. So they built the railway station in just 2 years, right? Let's see. They passed the resolution in 2008 and the railway station started operation on January 7. So in 2 years they built the railway station. So there may be a question. How long did it take for the villagers to build a railway station after passing the resolution? About 2 years, we will say. Okay? Now last question. What is special about the Tajnagar railway station? Any વિશેષતા શું છે? See the last sentence. Here, on which the railway did not have to spend a single rupee. So this railway station was built by the money collected by the villagers. So what is special about this railway station? The Tajnagar railway station was built by the villagers on their own. That is special about it. It is only one railway station on which the government has not spent a single rupee. I hope you understood this. So they waited for 25 years, they did not have a railway station, then they decided to build a railway station, and then they succeeded. So once you decide something and you work on it, success is sure to be achieved. You can surely achieve success. So remember this, you have to learn from this lesson that you work hard and you get success. For you will study for the whole year, study hard for the whole year, and in the board examination you will do well. So today is the day for you to make a resolution what you will do during this year, especially for board examination. I hope you have understood the lesson well. If you have any queries, you can text me or you can text in the group, and we will try to solve the queries. If there are some more questions from this text, I will try to send a PDF to you. Okay? Got it? Enjoy. We'll see the next part of the lesson in the next session. Till then, good day and goodbye.